Letters with the same sound, Part 3. Today we will be talking about letters I and E and letters I and magic E. We know that letters I and E say I. I. Like in the words der-eyed, dried, eyes, cries, eyed, lied, ant, I, anti. So here we see letters I and E that say I. And we have letters I and magic E that also say I. I and magic E, I. Now, boys and girls, do you remember that this letter E has magical powers, almost like that of a superhero? Yes, it does. But letter E is also generous. It gave all of its magical powers to letter I. It gave away all of its magical powers to letter I. And when it did, letter E remained with none and became very weak. So, letter E is now silent. And letter I no longer says its short sound, eh, eh, eh. Because it has all these powers now, it says a long sound, I. So let's take a look at this word. K, I, T, E. So here we have I and magic E. And do you see this T? We have replaced the dash with letter T. So let us now sound the word. K, I, T, kite, kite. I and magic E say I. Like in the words I'd, hide, ein, nine, ripe, ripe, bite, bite. Excellent reading, boys and girls.